What if the foundational premise of modern physics, the idea that space is an empty vacuum, is completely wrong? As highlighted on Dr. Ferdinand Santos III's Substack, Unstabinated, when you replace empty space with an active, continuous, elastic dielectric substrate, a plenum, the mathematical abstractions of 20th century physics cease to describe physical reality. If space is a medium, then light isn't a particle flying through nothingness. It's a wave moving through a dielectric ocean. And the moment you acknowledge that medium, the pillars of modern cosmology don't just shift, they collapse. First, the Big Bang and endless expansion. Mainstream cosmology points to the redshift of distant starlight as proof that galaxies are flying apart. But in a physical medium, redshift isn't Doppler expansion, it's natural wave fatigue and attenuation over vast interstellar distances. Without an expanding void, the 13.8 billion-year cosmic clock and the creation event out of a mathematical singularity simply vanish. Second, variable speed of light. Special relativity rests on the postulate that light speed is an invariant constant. But in classical wave mechanics, a wave's speed depends entirely on the density and elasticity of its medium. If dielectric permittivity and magnetic permeability fluctuate near massive stellar bodies or cosmic plasma currents, local light speed must fluctuate accordingly. The moment c is variable, time dilation paradoxes and constant-based particle acceleration models lose their physical foundation. Third, dark matter and dark energy. Astrophysics claims that over 95% of the universe consists of invisible, undetected dark matter and dark energy. These were invented to patch broken gravity equations, but there is no missing particle. The extra mass and rotational dynamics are provided directly by the plenum. The rotational dynamics are provided directly by the physical inertia, fluid dynamics, and dielectric compression of the plenum itself. Fourth, demystifying quantum mechanics. Quantum theory brought us non-causality, spooky action at a distance, and particles popping out of nothing. But wave-particle duality disappears when you realize that matter consists of localized, toroidal standing wave vortices of the medium, while radiation is stress waves. Quantum entanglement isn't magic across a void, it's two resonant compression nodes connected by the same unbroken substrate. Fifth, the worldview shift. The empty void model preaches an atomistic worldview, isolated bits of matter floating aimlessly in a dead, cold universe. An etheric reality restores physical continuity. Stars, planets, human biology, and distant galaxies are all active, localized nodes connected by an unbroken ocean. Earth isn't an unimportant dust mote, it acts as a vital focal point, a stator, attracting and transducing the materiality organized by the cosmic rotor. Furthermore, space isn't dead, it's a reservoir of intrinsic dielectric pressure. As Franklin and Tesla demonstrated, understanding the medium changes everything. It allows us to move away from burning finite hydrocarbon matter and toward coupling directly into the boundless energy of the background substrate. We are routinely told to follow the science, that the smartest professors and digital consensus have already solved the fundamental nature of reality. But when mathematical models require 95% invisible placeholder matter to function, critical thinking demands we re-examine the basic premises. The universe isn't a dead void populated by mathematical abstractions. It is a living, continuous, energetic system built for materiality and life. For the full breakdown, deep dives into alternative science, and more technical analysis, head over to Dr. Ferdinand Santos III's Substack, Unstabinated. Go there for more information and to join the discussion. Keep your critical thinking skills sharp. Don't believe the narratives because you are told experts say so. See you on Unstabinated.